So, how to make 10 grand per month from property. Now, this is a number that a lot of people are chasing because it is 120 grand a year is big money to anybody. And it's a great number, it's a great target to set yourself. In fact, within the Wealthy Advisors Club, this is the first target that I recommend that you set. In order to become truly wealthy, you need active and earned income, which is life insurance and mortgage commissions. Yeah, you're working for money, but you also need a passive income. And I recommend trying to get 10 grand of each as a minimum, as a starting point. Because once you've got 10 grand before you get out of bed, and then you get another 10 grand when you get out of bed and do something, you're in a good place. Yeah? So how to get 10 grand solely from property? That could be as simple as 10 HMOs. Yeah? Houses of multiple occupancy. Student accommodation. Yeah? That is minimum, by the way, because a lot of HMOs are making more than that. But even a smaller 4 or 5 bed HMO will typically generate you £1,000 a month. 10 of them is 10 grand a month. Buy to lets, of course, this is hugely subjective, dependent upon the location and the rent and all that. But generally, around about 30 buy to lets will get you 10k a month. Or 4 flips. Now, again, flips are massively subjective, but the minimum profit you should be making on a flip is around about 25, 30 grand. Therefore, 4 of them in a year. Now, I know that's not passive, but it still equates to 120 grand a year. 4 flips, it's quite easy to do flips. I'm pretty sure anybody can do a flip. You buy it below market value, you do it up and you sell it at a profit. Really, really simple. Some flips I've done have made well over 100 grand in one deal. So it might only be 2 or even 1 deal to get you 10 grand a month. But there are 3 simple strategies that you can use to make 10 grand per month from property. If you want to know a little bit more, you know where to join. It's the Wealthy Advisors Club. I'll see you there.